I'm going to open up my iPhone settings and I just want to show you something pretty cool. As you can see, I am on the newest version of iOS 14.4, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the uncover jailbreak on this version without a computer, guys, completely for free. So if you want to do this, head over to settings, go down to general, find this option called background app refresh, and make sure this is on. It can be on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, it doesn't matter. So guys, just make sure this is on, and once you've done that, go to this website. So what I'm going to do is just type in uncover. You want to substitute a 0 for an O, and it will come up in the search results, jailbreak any iOS device. Press on it, press start injection, and it's just going to say downloading uncover. So you want to wait for this process to finish. It's just going to load this little progress bar, as you can see, starting injection. So I'm just going to let it play out here, as you can see. So setting up final stage. All right, it's almost done. And anyways, guys, once this process is done, you're going to have to do a quick verification by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. Now, these apps are completely free. They're from the official App Store. And the way this jailbreak works is you inject the jailbreak files through these apps. So I'm going to download this one, CyberGhost VPN. And basically, guys, since we're getting these apps from this link, what it is going to do is jailbreak our device. If we just went to the App Store and searched these up, we would not be able to jailbreak. So I'm going to go for the second app now, which is going to be Solitaire. These are from the official App Store, as you can see. We're just getting them through this link. So now I'm going to go to my home screen and just complete the instructions in each app. Make sure, guys, that you read the instructions below. So for this VPN, all I'm going to do is sign up for an account. I don't have to start a 7-day trial or anything. I know that costs money. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email address here, as you can see. So let me just type that in. All right, it's super easy. I've never faced like any problems doing this type of verification. So now I'm just going to put in a password. So let me just do that right here. And it says retype passwords. Let me just do that. And now, guys, I'm pretty much done with this VPN app, as you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other app, which is Solitaire. And this is like a basic card game, guys. All I have to do is go ahead and play it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. You don't have to be a legend or a pro if you do pick one of the games from the list. I know that sometimes they have games on there, like in my case. They're usually super easy, or they have like a tutorial that you can follow along with. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch around with the cards for a little bit more, as you can see. All right, okay. I know, guys, I know this isn't the most interesting thing in the world, but this is literally the only way that I have found to jailbreak, especially on this new version of iOS and without a computer, which is not something that we always want to be doing, using our computers to jailbreak. So now I'm going to go to my home screen, and Cydia should appear. You don't have to like restart your phone or anything. It will just pop up on your home screen, and boom, Cydia, my device is now jailbroken. So I'm going to open this, and you can see clearly it is fully working. And just to prove to you, I'm going to download the Filza File Manager, which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically a file manager for jailbroken devices. And I'm going to show you guys that this is actually working. So let me just search it up. I would not be able to install a jailbreak tweak, guys, if this was not working. So you can see right here, I'm going to search it up. And there it is, Filza. And I'm going to download it, Filza File Manager. So let me just go ahead and click on it. It's the first one, so if you guys want to get the Filza File Manager, I guess this is a little tutorial for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and press install, and boom, let me just confirm that I want to install this. All right, there we go. So boom, look, I'm actually downloading a jailbreak. It's actually working. I'm actually downloading something from inside Cydia. So as you can see, it says downloading right here. So let's just give it a minute, and the Filza will be on our device. So yeah, if you want a file manager for jailbroken devices, Filza is the way to go. But let's just let this load here, as you can see. All right, it's almost done. Okay, reloading data. So that should mean that we're jailbroken and we have Filza. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my home screen, guys, and I just want to show you I actually installed a jailbreak like tweak using Cydia. So you can see this is fully working. Filza is on my device. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Share with your friends.